Welcome my viewers to the Magic Behind channel. This is a channel where we teach you about electronics components and how you can use those components to make working circuits. In today's video, I want us to learn some basics about light emitting diode, LEDs. Before we move ahead, kindly subscribe to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button below this video. I am now holding a light emitting diode. For the ease of holding, I've decided to put it on a piece of circuit board. An LED has two legs, these two. There is a shorter leg known as cathode and is the negative terminal, and there is a longer lead known as anode and is the positive terminal. This is the glass cover, and the material which gives out light is inside this glass. There are different sizes of light emitting diodes. These ones here are 5 millimeters. The thinner ones are 3 millimeters, and this big one is 10 millimeters. Light emitting diodes are manufactured for different purposes and different applications. As you can see what I'm holding, we have this line of colored glass LEDs. These are known as diffused LEDs. They are usually used for indication purposes, especially when you want to show that the circuit is on. You will find green, red, blue, yellow LEDs on in a circuit. That shows that the circuit is on. The clear glass LEDs are known as clear. They are usually used for illumination purposes. That means where you need more light, more brightness, these are the ones which are used. For you to work well with light emitting diodes, you need to understand two types of LED connections. Number one of the connections is the series connection, where you connect a number of LEDs following each other. That is, you connect anode of one LED to the cathode of the next LEDs all the way up to the end. Then we have the second combination known as parallel connection. Parallel connection is where each LED has its own resistor. This is a series connection of LEDs. As you can see, we have a resistor here, which is being used by all these 5 LEDs. The resistor is connected to the anode of this LED. Then we are left with cathode. This cathode is connected to the anode of this LED. Then the cathode of this LED is connected to the anode of the next LED, all the way up to the end. And at the end here, we will have cathode. This is where when you are connecting to power, this is where the negative power will come and the positive power will come here at the resistor. And when you connect that, these LEDs should light. When you are working with less LEDs or just a few LEDs, you are supposed to put here a higher resistor so that these LEDs will not blow or they will not burn. This is a parallel connection. The power terminals will come here at this point and here, and all these LEDs will work. What I need you to understand is that when you connect this as the cathode, all these should be the cathodes. then the anodes here. So that when you connect power, for example, we say you connect the positive terminal here of the power and the negative terminal here. All these LEDs should work. And when you are connecting using maybe AC power or a rectified power from AC, you should use a higher resistor from 220K and above for individual LED. I now want us to connect these two combinations to power. We see how these combinational or connections work. When connecting to power, I'm not using a battery. I'm using AC to DC rectifier, the circuit which I'm holding here. I have made a video about it and I'll attach it on this video so that you can watch it and learn how to make one. This is the series side on power. As you can see, all those LEDs are working. This is now the parallel side. I hope those basics we have learned will help you work better with LEDs. There is some areas where you will be needing to, or where you will need to combine the two connections for you to make one single circuit. So thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly share it with friends whom you think may be interested. Give this video a thumbs up. On the comment section below, ask me any question in regard to LEDs, in regard to those connections and those combinations. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so. Thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.